Hello everyone and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and we're going to be jumping into Peng as well as a few other meme coins that I can see that could be on the verge to explode its way to the upside. But before we do so, guys, check out this video on how to trade Ponky, and also check out this video on how to trade Pickle. But you can only get access to these two videos if you are a member of my YouTube membership channel, which is right up here. Guys, it costs less than a coffee in order for you to get an access to a decent education and how you can learn to trade very comfortably with the most easiest strategies without having to worry about using too much lines, because the aim of that channel is to show you how to quite easily read a chart like this, and most importantly, when to trade, when to buy, sell, and only to create your support and resistance in order for you to be able to maximize your gains. But anyway, enough about that. If you're new and you haven't done so already, give me a subscribe, hit the bell notification, and strap on to your boots, put on your rocket helmets. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right, starting off with Peng. The market cap is at 12.99 million. We are up on the day 1.48% for the past 24 hours, and the current price is at 12 cents. Now let's take a closer look on the charts. And what do we see? We see that we could be literally on the verge of exploding away to the upside, because whenever we range sides for a little while, then we typically see a coiling up. I think that we could any day now see a nice move to the upside. We see a massive invalidation right here, where we only see just red candle, which means once we do break up from here, we could see a nice move to the upside and continue away to much more bigger prices. And once we do smash through that green, large, thin rectangular line, then we should be heading away back up to the top. Guys, this would be a nice move to the upside, because if you get in now, for instance, and you're looking to hold up until the last all-time highs, that's an easy 5x on your portfolio, and that would be a fantastic gains, at least for the short term. But we're in it for the long haul, and that long haul is back to the last all-time highs, which would be up here. And what size is that? 10x? Well, let me not assume. So we can quite easily see, yep, more than 10x from the last all-time highs. Now let's get back into the tokenomics. Okay, so we can see 10x away from here at 129 million. And then we can see 100x at $1.2 billion. But I reckon we can see a lot more higher than your 100x. We probably might even go up to 200x. And that would be a significant gain for anyone, because if you invest with $1,000, you can flip your $1,000 into $200,000. So let's move on to the next one, and that is going to be the Chinese variation of Ponky. Guys, we saw a lovely run up for Ponky before ultimately breaking back down to retest from a low. Now this gives me a huge confidence that we should be able to see a continuation to the upside. Of course, any of these memes are high risks, but with great risks comes with great rewards. So we have to always make sure that we only trade with what we can afford to lose. From here, guys, it looks like we've went all the way up. We've held there for a little while. We didn't quite break the all-time highs, so then we pulled our way back down. I did mention in one of my last videos that if we don't continue to see our way to the upside, if we see a significant pullback, that will give us a second chance to get in to see that move to the upside. Now, how high can we go? Even if we go back up in towards this area right over here, that's going to be the most easiest, 227 or 30%. So you can still make a 2x gains from here. However, I reckon with Ponky that we can reach up to maybe 4-5 million, and even a lot more higher, because 10x away from here, the market cap will only need to get to 1.7. 100x away from here, the market cap would only need to get to $17 million, guys. even if we see $17 million market cap for Ponkai, that's still going to be 100x. The question is, could Ponkai go to 100x before Chloe? Guys, we'll do Chloe in a second as well. But anyway, just thought to let you know that with Ponkai, it's still got some huge move coming in, and I reckon if we do anything like Ponky itself, where the market cap is quite high, of $183 million, I'll not say we can reach to that $183 million, but even if we go up to, let's say, $20 million, that is more than 100x. So it might be worth exposing yourself a little bit to Ponkai. But anyway, why don't we move to Chloe? Because with Chloe, we are $111,000 in market cap. We are up on a day on 6.5% for the past 24 hours, and the current price is at 0.000117. Now let's take a closer look. Now on the charts, guys, it looks like that we had finally pulled back into this level right over here, which is not the end of the world at all. I know some people won't feel confident within Chloe, but whenever we pull back into like a major zone like this, then this could be a fantastic move about to happen, because now we can change this into the resistance, and these will be the levels that we need to watch out for. One, that's support, and that is resistance. Whilst it's still bouncing between these levels right over here, and we are close to the support line, if we get in here, we could be seeing a potential massive move coming in for Chloe within the near future, because once we do go to back to the all-time highs, that can still be an easy 7x. So whether you trade with $100 or more is entirely up to you, but I reckon with Chloe, we could still possibly see a 100x for this project, because 10x away from here, it will put the market cap at $1.1 million, and then the 100x at 11 million, which I reckon is more than doable during the bull season. So you let me know whether you're bullish or bearish on Chloe. But for now, let's move on to the next one, and that is going to be Gorpool. Gorpool is at $719,000. We are down on the day 1.2% for the past 24 hours, and the current price is at 0.002479. So let's take a closer look on the charts. From the charts, it shows that we have been ranging for the longest. Let me just zoom in. It's taking me forever to do that. Oh, here we are. Okay, it looks like we could be... Ooh, look at this, guys. I reckon once we do break from this level, which I'm going to show it to you right now. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Alright, here we go. Once we do rise back up quite like a phoenix, then this should be the area right here that we need to break. Once we break this level, then we're going to quite literally rise like a phoenix back up into the last significant level, which will be the last all-time highs. Potentially we can see from Gorpool a 2000 and let's say above 2000% move to the upside, so that would be a nice 20x from here. I reckon for Gorpool that we should be able to see an easy 50x. Can we go much higher? Not too sure about that, but at least once we do get back up to that 20x right here, that'll still be a quite decent trade, because you could turn your 100 into $2,000. That's what we're here for when it comes down to the memes, because memes does provide us a pretty decent trade setup for a potentially big gains. If you put in $1,000, then you could be collecting quite easily, or should I say, you'd be earning yourself a nice $20,000. But anyway, guys, that is pretty insane. So let's go for the last token, and that is going to be Success Kid. Let's search for one of the channel favorites memes. Here we are. All right, so let's take a look. We are currently at a $2.45 million market cap. We are down on the day at 0.72% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.02761. Now let's take a closer look on the charts and let's see what we see. All right, so we've been ranging here for the longest. Now we've dipped just a little bit more, which is fine. It's just like that song, ooh, a little bit more. Ooh, come on, success kid, you know what I'm looking for. All right, I need to stop. Anyway, so we've ranged, still ranging here for a little while now. Let me just delete some of these lines because it's getting a little bit clustered. And yeah, here we are. So we've been ranging here for a little while. Once we do break above this red line over here, then we should quite easily make our way back up to this level. And once we do come up to here, we are going to see some reaction around this level. We may even pull back slightly before we continue our way to the upside. Either way, guys, I reckon with Success Kid, we are still going to see massive gains for the future. I reckon we can quite see more than $4 per Success Kid, maybe even more. Now let's take a slightly closer look on the market cap. The market cap is at 2.45 million. The total circulating supply is tiny, guys. You need to understand. The smaller amount of coins are in circulation usually, then the more demand in price for any given token. I reckon because of that reason, we're all going to see Success Kid go into some crazy price in the future. Because 10x away from here, you put the market cap at 24 million, 100x, which would be very easy for this project, especially with such a low circulating supply of 88 million. We can see 245 million market cap, which will put the project on 100x. If we see 1000x, the market cap will only need to get to 2.45 billion, and that would be a nice 1000x gains, meaning that you can turn your $100 into 1 million. Do not sleep on Success Kid, guys. I reckon this is going to be one of the most alpha memes during the bull season. But you let me know in the comments. You let me know, guys. But anyway, thank you very much for tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be updated with all my latest contents and videos. If you'd like to learn how to trade, towards my membership right there. Or if you like an in-depth one-to-one Skype, Zoom, or even Google Meet one-to-one session, and you will get a unique Telegram link so you can contact me 24/7 with any of your questions so I can respond back to you personally and give you further assistance with your trading. And then £17 or $20 per month will suit you if you're slightly above the beginners / an average trader. But if you're completely new, if you need more assistance and guide on how to create your personalized your crypto trading journey, then the £85 per month. So you get one-to-one meeting with me per week. Plus, you also get a unique Telegram link where you can ask me any questions and give you further assistance. You will also be given a trading tasks so you can build upon your trading skills, and that way I can assess on your trading progress to the point where you can start trading comfortably on your own with the most simplest strategies, because you don't need too many crazy lines or you don't need too many trading tools in order for you to understand more than the basics that will get you some nice healthy profits. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.